Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find the fuse for the automatic transmission shifter. If your shifter is stuck, doesn't work, we actually have a different video that explains how to manually override that and put it in neutral or drive so you can actually get your car out of the way or load it on a trailer guys. But if you want to know where that fuse is located, stay with us, we'll cover that today. It should cover generation 2009 to year 2015. So let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on, and we're talking about that shifter guys, transmission shifter. Okay, that's the fuse for that thing right here. So if yours is not working, it's stuck, okay, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. First, always check all your traction control fuses and ABS fuses. We have the video on the channel, traction control fuse on Hyundai Sonata, check it out. All these fuses control the shifter too. But if you have one specific for the shifter, you need to open that fuse box. Press here, press like that, okay, and pull up. Then you flip it this way, okay, and let me show you now what we have here. If you keep it this way, the layout corresponds to what we have here. And the fuse guys that we need to check, if you come right here, the fourth fuse, 1, 2, 3, 4, it says TCU number 2, that's the transmission control unit guys, and it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, that 15M fuse. So go ahead, get the fuse puller from here, spread it and pull it out. Get on top of the fuse, okay, hold it on the front and pull it out. So now what I recommend guys, always test the fuses. Never assume you have a good fuse, always replace it or test it and see if that fixes the problem. If you need to buy cheap fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If you want to see how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, we'll put the link as well to a video that explains how to do that. Really easy guys procedure, but you will know for sure if the fuse is good or bad. Because let's say you guys put your fuse back and that fuse is actually bad, what will happen at that point guys, you start spending more money, time trying to fix your car when all you had to do replace that fuse guys. So definitely test them before you put them back in. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.